Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a cake stand. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 plates, one larger and one smaller, along with a sturdy candle holder or a small glass vase for the base. Make sure you have a strong adhesive, like E6000 glue, on hand. Also, ensure all your chosen items are completely clean and dry before you begin this fun project. Now, let's prepare the base for your cake stand. Take your larger plate. This will be the bottom. Carefully place your candle holder or vase in the exact center of this plate. You might want to lightly mark the spot with a pencil to ensure perfect alignment. This step is crucial for a balanced and professional-looking finished product, so take your time. It's time to assemble your beautiful cake stand. Apply a generous, even layer of your strong adhesive to the top rim of your candle holder or vase. Then, carefully center the smaller plate directly onto the glued surface. Press down firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure a good bond. The most important step is to let the glue cure completely for a full 24 hours before use. Once your cake stand is fully cured, give it a gentle test for stability. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can paint it, add ribbon, or leave it as is for a minimalist look. This versatile stand is perfect for showcasing cakes, cupcakes, or even appetizers at your next gathering. Remember to hand wash it gently to ensure it lasts for many celebrations to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.